Here we are in the Your Morning Kitchen. Now, you've heard of charcuterie boards, of course, no doubt. Well, Chef Vivian Villa has created butter boards for us, and they're delectable. And they got a little twist here that I'm going to let her reveal. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Rosie.
Good morning, Chef Villa. Okay, it's such a pleasure to have you on here. Before we get to savory and sweet, okay,
Yes.
I want to talk about the base of this butter board right here.
Okay.
Something called Unbutter. What is this all about?
So this is a product I developed a couple of years ago to answer the call to people who are plant-based and have allergies, which is a huge segment of the population.
That's true.
So I found out about shea butter in the West African community as a food source.
As a food source.
Yes.
Like I use shea butter.
Yes.
You know, put it
Yeah.
on the hands, get nice and soft, but I didn't know you can use it as a food source. But it is like a type of it comes from the tree.
Yes.
So you can
Yes.
enjoy it.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a
That's
part of
fantastic.
the West African cuisine,
Okay.
and it's not an allergen.
Okay.
So we have 3 flavors here.
What do you got? What
I
are
have
the
the
flavors?
unsalted, lightly salted, and urban garlic. So there we've got Canadian summer savory in that one,
Oh,
and that's what's
wow.
on the board. And on the board, I
Yeah.
mean, we have here green onions, and I threw in some sushi seasoning.
Oh,
You
I
go to
see
sushi,
that.
yeah, I threw that
Yeah.
on there. You can do whatever you want. We got olives here.
Really?
I like to mix it up.
So that's the thing about the butter board, right? You're just saying you just dip into it, like, right?
Yeah, it's just you spread it on, and
Okay.
what's nice about the butter board, it's like a budget-friendly version of charcuterie
Really? Okay.
and cheese boards, which
Yeah, you're right, because you've got the meat in the charcuterie
Yeah.
board that can be very expensive. Cheese as well.
yes, and
Yeah.
people have the bits left over. They tend to throw them out, and it's costly, and people get scared. What cheeses do
nice.
I buy, and what meats do I buy? With a
Right.
butter board, you just slap it on, and you just dip away whatever
Oh.
you want.
This is creamy. This is really lovely.
Thank you.
It really is
Thank you.
nice. I'm going to try it with an olive. Can I do that?
Oh,
Let me try
absolutely,
that.
that's my favorite.
Oh, because it is so savory.
It is.
just wonderful.
And it's rich, so you're gonna get that same satisfaction eating it. You're not gonna be hungry later. It's got the fats in it, which everybody wants healthy fats now.
That is just marvelous. I love this.
Thank you.
I don't want to eat too much because I have to keep talking to Chef Villa. We're going to go on to something very sweet now.
Yes, so
This is so good.
this is a dairy butter board. So now sometimes you get butter on sale. Right now it's like $4.88 a pound. So when
Right.
you do that, stock up.
Okay.
This is a butter board. We've got sprinkles on here, Turkish apricots, cranberry. We did some sprinkles. You could do themed butter boards. You could do like a cookie dough version where you have brown sugar and cinnamon and drizzle some vanilla in there.
What do you have on top here? It looks like a birthday
Yeah,
butter
it's
board
kind of like
here.
a confetti birthday cake.
I love it.
I mean, whatever you want, because butter is neutral. So it just acts as a carrier for whatever you have on hand. You can do like apple rings, dried apple rings.
You just take a little bit.
Yeah.
It adds that little bit of that smooth creaminess
Yeah,
to it.
it's just a counterbalance to the sweetness of
And
the
then
fruit.
you've got the different fruit here. What
Yep.
is this? Is it apricot?
This is Turkish apricot.
Oh, I got to try
And we
that.
got the cranberry and
Can you talk about I just like how you're such an artist. I don't know if you realize here, but you created just like a beautiful sort of pattern anyway with the butter. Like a lot of
Yeah.
people might have just sort of put it on, but you kind of added little divots here and there and then put the fruit in.
yeah,
I
like,
love that.
Pretend like you're frosting a cake with a
okay.
paddle and just go to town and just swirl it around. And I find the more you touch something, the worse it looks. I think if you just throw stuff on, you'll see chefs do it. It looks great when you
Okay.
just throw it on and just leave it, just pop it on there and it looks great.
Chef Villa, this is my first time having a butter board, tasting a butter board,
Great.
and I'm here for it. I really
I'm so
like
glad.
it. And I love how you put the confetti on there because it just makes you want to go, wee!
Happy.
Happy birthday to me, even though it's not my birthday. I love it. Gonna take another one here. Chef Villa, this is just a great creation. I love it, and it's easy, and it's not terribly expensive.
No, it's not. It's using, you can throw granola on there. It's using the butter as a plate for other things you have. So in light of, everyone's talking about affordability.
Yeah.
You can easily put this together at home with anything you have in your pantry on a nice plate or on a board just like this, and it looks like something you'd get from takeout or in a restaurant.
So going from sweet back to savory, Chef Vivian Villa, fantastic to have you on. I'm loving it. This unbutter product is amazing.
Thank you.
So tasty. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.